Well, everybody, got me a westbound train. Yeah, got me a westbound. Just got out here just in the nick of time to get them. But hey, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, hey, smash that thumbs up button. Go thumbs up on this video. Can you do that for me? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Hey, also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I pop up a train video, y'all will be notified about it. But hey, this was filmed on Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024. And I want to say thank you again to all you people out there that got me up to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it big time. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you again. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.